What is up everyone, Jay Flores here for the vlog, and today I'm gonna teach you how to cook a Pinoy style spaghetti. Let's go. Intro. Before we start, make sure you are subscribed if you have not done that yet, because I do constant giveaway. Actually, I have an ongoing giveaway right now, so please check my channel out and then apil na mo. Feel free to join. I will draw the winners soon. Let's continue. So for today, I'm gonna teach you how to cook our favorite Pinoy style spaghetti. We're gonna do two sauces, which is the meat sauce and then the white sauce, which is also our cheese sauce. Diba? Cheese? Who doesn't love cheese, man? Come on. And for the pasta, I'm gonna use spaghetti. Pero I'm not gonna show it to you in this vlog because I've already done that. If you did not see my other vlog, which I made a carbonara using spaghetti, please check that one out. The link will be posted down below too. Without further ado, let's go. Game. Here's what you need: ground beef, ground pork, spaghetti sauce, tomato paste, mushroom, beef cubes, garlic, and onion. That's for the red sauce. And for the white sauce, you're gonna need cream, Quickmelt cheese, butter, evaporated milk, and of course, the pasta. So let's start with the red sauce. Turn on the heat, add a little bit of oil, and we'll cook the ground meats first. And let it reduce hantod makagat na naiyahang pagkabasa, and then we'll proceed. Now, nag-reduce na ang basa-basa sa atong meat. We can add in the onions, the garlic, and then the mushrooms. Now, partially season with some salt and pepper. Now all we have to do is just mix this all around and then let it reduce once again before adding the tomato paste, the tomato sauce, and etc. Personally, I add some pasta water sa sauce just to, add some flavor and texture. Now, okay, sweet style man will just add a little bit of sugar, Mas lami if mas daghan, I guess. And then we'll let it boil and then set this sauce aside. And now for the white/cheese sauce, we're gonna start off with putting a butter sa pan nato. And then let it melt a little and then add the flour. I forgot to mention this. Pero adding the flour, basically you're just making a roux. A roux will enhance the texture of your sauce. Now you can add in the evaporated milk. Make sure to mix it really well. Let this thing boil. Add in your cheese. Turn off the heat. Add in the cream. White sauce. Done. Done. Now we'll just set this aside and let's proceed to the assembly. So now let's put everything up together. Ladle some red sauce to your pasta. This is taking forever. Heck, iyabo na lang tani guys. Now we just have to shake everything up para ma-mix siya og tarong, and then we'll pour and ladle the cheese sauce. That looks so nice. So Pinoy style sweet style spaghetti is done. Sprinkle some parmesan if you want. You can put this into your oven para bake, which is way better, but it will take much more time. So okay na ni guys, lami na kani. So that is it for the vlog. I hope you had fun. I hope you will try that at home, especially karon ECQ ta, quarantine ta. Instead of mag-TikTok mo again, you could just simply watch my other vlogs and my videos and learn how to cook para manampok tatanan pangamungay na ni. Alright? Thank you guys, and please do not forget to subscribe. God bless. Peace.